Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making chana chaat. In a pan I will take 2 teaspoons of tamarind paste. To that I will add 1/4 cup of water, 2 teaspoons of sugar and half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of chili powder. We are going to cook it for 5 minutes or until the sugar is completely dissolved. Gonna take it out in the same sugar bowl to cool off. Here I have 3 cups of boiled chickpeas, 2 small boiled potatoes. Gonna add them in the chickpeas. A very small chopped onion and 1 chopped tomato. We're gonna add them in. 1 teaspoon of coarse ground cumin and coriander seeds. I dry roasted them and then coarse grind them. 1/4 teaspoon of chaat masala and the turmeric paste we made earlier. We are going to mix it all. Mix and ask me a question in the comments below if you do not understand anything in the recipe. We're going to take it out in a presentable bowl. We'll add small chopped green chili and we're going to top it with some save and garnish it with cilantro. Yummy chana chaat is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.